Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. This XLT is painted in magma. It has the V6 EcoBoost. You've got the XLT trim package on here, 302A with the FX4 off-road pack. Let's take a look at some of the features. You do have your nice running board along the side here. Remote entry keypad is on the door. You've got your tow mirrors and your heated mirrors as well, power window controls. Leather arm sill. You've got a cloth leather combination in here with power lumbar seats for both passenger and driver. You've also got electronic parking brake, power adjustable foot pedals, lighting controls, fog lights, and your dimming and dimming. Getting on in, you do have your screen there, crank it over. You've got halogen headlights. You've got a smaller display in front of you here. This has your distance to empty, tire pressure, digital speedometer, engine information. You've got trip and fuel settings, so you can monitor your fuel history and all that. You've got towing with a connection checklist and your trailer options here. You've got off-road status with power distribution. And you've got vehicle settings with DTE, rear park aid, and advanced settings with MacPhee and your vehicle settings, such as lighting, wipers, and more. On the steering wheel itself, you've got menu controls on the left, cruise control, and on the right is your hands-free and media controls. You've got sync sound system built in here. This is where you get your radio. You can, with satellite radio, of course, you do have your option to connect a phone. You've got navigation. You can select a destination, or you can do screen view. You can ask it where you are. You can add in a home, take you to get some fuel, anything really you need to do. Very functional. You've got various apps in here, and you've got vehicle settings with Wi-Fi, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've got display settings, vehicle settings as well. You've got navigation, general, so you can turn off the beep. You can change the temperature, all that good stuff. You've got your media controls down here with a CD player, and then you've got climate controls with heated seats up front. To the left, you've got your locking differential with 2 high, 4 low, trailer backup, and your trailer brake. And then over here is a 12-volt outlet with a household plug. Down here, you do have 2 more USB ports, and then you've got your center console shifter with your manual mode, and then your cup holders into the side. Nice big leather armrest, center console, very large. You could put a lot of stuff in here. And then up top is an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and you've got a switch here, which actually controls the window back there, so your rear passengers can enjoy some nice fresh air as well. Coming onto the back of the F-150, you've got your paint-matched rear bumper here in the same magma colors with your rear park sensors. Your trailer hitch is installed and ready to go, and you've also got your rear view camera located right under the tailgate latch. You do have a built-in tailgate step to help you get into the back of the truck bed, and then you've also got LED box lighting all around to help light up the bed at nighttime. This is the Super Crew variation, so you've got a very large rear seating area. Starting with the door, you've got cup holders and cubbies galore, and then you've got your bench seat, 60-40 split. You can fold it up if you want to increase storage. Behind this seat here, you do have your jack and fuel nozzle. And then getting on in, you've got a lot of leg room back here. It's very spacious. You've got a nice cubby in front of you, and then your center console with 2 cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, 2 more USB ports, and another household plug. You can charge all your devices in this truck if needed. And then up top, you do have a dome light for your rear passengers as well. Moving up towards the front now, you do have your halogen headlights up front, high beams, low beams, and fog lights, LED turn signals, LED tail lights as well, and you've got your front-facing grille with your plow prep package up front with the tow hooks. All around a really good truck. So make sure to come on over to MacPhee Ford to get your hands on this pre-owned F-150. As always, thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.